Okay, what's up, guys? There's a big thunderstorm in my neighborhood. Look at this. Look at all of this. Plus, there's a hanging branch. I see a freaking hanging branch. I don't know, but it's right there. It's freakishly right there. Man! Oh! Oh my gosh, it's getting worse. What the heck? The mulch is down on the mulch. There's some of the mulch on our porch. Like, man, no way. Yeah. Yep. Hi, broken window. Hey. I know. You won't see it a bit because, oh, you see it now. This is the broken window. Still alive. Sky is gray, but on my screen it's green. Okay, bye.